morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi, and I believe in to be or not to be. Today, on this beautiful Sunday morning, a very short TA update video on Bitcoin. What do I see on the charts, and what do I expect next on this beautiful Sunday? Let's quickly jump into it while I show you my beautiful view. Check. Yes, I'm walking from my house just a little bit in nature, just to talk and not wake up my kids. Now, let's go to the first one over here. This is trading view. This is the day chart, guys. So on the day chart, you can see that I already said to you guys, yes, probably we will go to that orange line, come back to that green line, and then go again up to break that orange line, which I extended with that yellowish color, but that is all officially, of course, that orange line. You can see, if I delete that one, you see that is what I expect. Now, we did come back to the green line. We are going up a little bit at the moment, but not with a lot of volume. It's Sunday. Check the CME gap on Friday. That is probably also the price we are going to be at Sunday evening around, I think, 6 o'clock in Europe. So more important is if we look at this one over here, the weekly, that one is still positive above that red line. We do want to see the yellow stepping line crossing that red line. If we look back in history on this chart, and yes, you can do that when you have the Bam Bam indicator. That one you can find on the bitcoinfamily.com. But if you have access to the Bam Bam indicator and you pop up this chart, you can see that every time when the yellow stepping line crosses that red line, that is positive. When we are not crossing over, so there is resistance, that is less positive. That means we can have a pullback into the market. Okay, now, so the weekly also looking pretty healthy. Now, I have some other really cool charts, but I need to stop my pop-ups. So 1 second for me. Yes, I'm back. Sorry for that. I need to do my do not disturb button on. Not going to edit the video. It's Sunday. I'm too lazy. Now I'm going to jump with you into some amazing charts. 3 of them that I really like. You need to see them because they show you a lot of input and data in Bitcoin. And one is also warning us that maybe we are not that bullish. Maybe not. So there's one chart. Keep watching. Okay, here we go. Let's go over here. Now, this is the first chart. This is the chart by Charts BTC. It looks very simple. It is very simple, but it's also showing a lot of cool data. If you look to the bottom of the bull markets, then you can see that during those bottoms, that accumulation zone, we spend a lot of days in that area. So it starts over here between $4 and $8. Sorry, that 2 purple lines, the 2 purple bars with 266 and 264. So we spent over 500 days in that area. Then you can see the same after the top in 2014. We spent about 900, almost 1,000 days in that accumulation area. Do you see this? The 479 and the 515. Then after 2018 top, again, also in total 550 plus 489 days in that, for me, accumulation area where you should be buying all your Bitcoins because you know we are going up from that moment. And every time after these 2 bars, we see a very short bar. These are the bars, these are the amount of days we spent at the top of the peak of that bull run. So 21 days in the beginning and 63 days in the bottom. About 100 days in the bull top in 2014. About 80 days in the bull run in 2018. Now, if you look at the bar at the moment, that one is 431 days. Does this mean we need to create another bar that's also above 400 days? Because Bitcoin is doubling up every time 2 bars. Check again, the bottom 266, 264, 479, 515, 489, 550, and now 431. Are we going to make another bar of a lot of days in that area between 50 and 65 or 70k. That is what I read on this chart. And does it mean that after that second bar, so that will mean another 400 days in this area between this 40 and 70k, then we will get a short bar of 80 days or whatever to that blow off top again above 100k. Really interesting chart. If you don't understand me, listen again or pause the video and watch it again. Really cool. Now, there is another chart that is this one that's telling me the same. You know, we are now at only 7 times the 4-year multiple. Which means, if you look at the bottom to the white part of the charts, you can see, for example, from, if we look totally at the left, 2012 to 2016, we went 125 times. And then we can do, you can see 2013, if you calculate September, I mean that's 5 times. If you calculate November, it's 9 times. And if you calculate December, it's 37 times in that 4-year multiple. That's how you read it. So, and then you get the next one, that is 2015 to 2019. If we calculate from the 26th of June till the 26th of June, we go times 53. And then times 12, and then times 58. And at the moment, if you calculate from the 2nd of April to the 2nd of April 2018 to 2022, we are only times 7. In my beliefs, we need to go way higher, because if you look to the top numbers, they all are higher. 125, 37, 53, 58. So these tops should be higher. The bottoms, we are in line 2.4 times. But the top should be much higher. Really cool chart as well. If you also look at the orange lines, we can see, yes, we should go a little bit higher in 2022. So this is all the bullish perspectives. Now I will go, and you won't like it, of course, but I need to do it. Now I will also show you the bearish one. Because there is also one bearish chart that is telling me, hey, this is not nice. Why is this happening? This only happens just before the local tops. And that, combined with some other numbers I'm going to share with you, might make you doubt again. You know, are we still really in the bull market, or is this really this local top? These are the charts. The first one is this one. If you look to the orange line in the bottom, that one is indicating that old coins between 7 and 10 years old are starting to move. And mostly when these old coins, not old, but old, like me, old, old coins start to move, it's an indication of a local top. Just check all these orange lines, and every time when these orange lines peak up high, you can see that a little bit after that one, we see a dump, because that was the local top. Now, that thing does worry me. If you look now in the yellow circle, you can see that the old coins between 7 and 10 years old that didn't move till now start to move again. Does that mean we again will see a local top? So that is something that worries me. Pause the video if you want to see more, but that in combination with this, that Bitcoin will, that I have been tracking for some time now already. I think I was one of the first that shared this Bitcoin wallet address in videos and told you this whale is always buying and selling on the right times. But this whale just sold another 1,500 Bitcoins. And a week ago he also sold 1,500 Bitcoins. And a week before that he also sold 1,500 Bitcoins. So this whale is selling. But on the other hand, while he was selling, the Bitcoin price hasn't been going down the last couple of weeks. It has been going up. So does it mean this will the first time is wrong? Or is he selling again before that we see this huge dump? And don't be fooled, because every time when he sells, after that he also starts to accumulate. So when he sells this 1,500 over there, you can see he buys 300, 400, 8, and 90 Bitcoins back. And then 1,500. Some people think it's not a whale. Some people think it's an exchange that is selling their Bitcoins from cold storage into for example, Coinbase to, or sell Bitcoins or to exchange Bitcoins for Ethereum or whatever. Now, so hope that is a little bit clear. For me, there's two options. As always, we can go up and we can go down. That is why we as the Bitcoin family created the bot. The bot makes you 4% a month. I don't need to freak out of all these dips and things. Whatever happens, when the market is volatile, the bot performs better. When the market is stable, the bot performs less. So that's why I say an average 3 to 4% a month. Some months are 6%, some months are 1%, depending on the market volatility. But these bots help you to trade. You can find all the information on the bitcoinfamily.com on this bot, guys. Yes, I'm showing you the nature instead of only my face, so you have a clear view of where I'm walking. But make my face big. Sunday. I hope you really enjoyed this short update. I'm going to do a AMA in English later today. I think, I don't know yet. I have some visitors at 11, so probably at 1 o'clock or something, an English AMA, where you can ask me anything about Bitcoin and to be or not to be. This was everything about the short TA video. If you did enjoy the video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think? I have my flip-flops again. Yes, flip-flop life back in Portugal. Also, if you want more information about the indicators, the BAM indicators and all that stuff, go to the bitcoinfamily.com. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow again. I wish you an amazing Sunday. Bye.